Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. I love getting freebies and I love to show you how you can get them too. Today I am going to show you just 1 week of freebies. I did one last week, which was about 3.5 weeks, and I accumulated enough to do another video. And I am also going to show you how you can get free Redbox in your inbox. I think I found the secret formula to get free weekly Redbox codes. I'm going to tell you that in a little bit. So let's get started. This is from Sampler. It arrived all disheveled, but it seems like everything is here. So I haven't opened it yet. Let's go ahead and rip it open. Sampler is a free online website where you sign up for freebies, usually like once a month or once every other month, and sometimes you answer really quick surveys. So the first thing in here is a Snuggle Plus Super Fresh Scent Shakes. This is a laundry booster. It's supposed to make your laundry smell nice and clean. You just open up the packet and toss in the washer before you add your clothes. So this should be fun to use. It doesn't, just says original. So it's totally sealed. I can't smell anything. Then they sent me a squished natural berry flavor, the non-gummy gummies. It's a dietary supplement, Child Life. All right, so this looks like for kids, it's kind of like vitamins in a chewing gum stick or little, all right, little caplets. I think this is for children. It does say Child Life. Yeah, whatever. You take 1 tablet daily for children under 3, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so 1 tablet, depending on your weight, you take 1 to 2 tablets a day. I give it to my son. He'll love it. And then I received, looks like sport drink flavors, the kind that you put in your water bottle. There are, this is a pack of, goodness gracious, 6 maybe? Yeah, maybe 6 samples. It's gluten-free. Never heard of it. It's called the Ultima Replenisher. 0 calories, so you put it in your workout water drinky thingy. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, nothing there really excites me, but you know, it's free, whatever. Then I got my Pinch Me box. You all have seen me do Pinch Me before. And by the way, I'll have the links down below to all these sites so you can get your freebies too. Let's pull out the first thing. Oh, this is a cat food. Tuna and chicken. So it's a sample of cat food. You all know, if you've been here before, I have a cat named Jane. That's who the channel is named after. So she'll be my best friend forever once I give her that. And they sent me some Haribo's. I love these. These are always good. You know they're made in Germany? I had no idea. Okay. Then something from Slim Fast. It's a fat bomb. Great, just what I need, a peanut butter cup. But peanut butter cups are the best candy in the world, in my opinion. I love it. Okay, now I feel something full size. Okay, cool. This is from Bausch & Lomb. I do wear contact lenses. This is this is if you have dry eye or you get dry eyes with your contacts. This is a multi-purpose solution, works like your eyes. So what is this? How do you use this? Let me see. I don't know. Well, contact lens solution. Maybe it's a cleaner. It's a solution. I'll have to figure it out. Oh, and it also includes a little lens case, which I could use. Always use those. Sorry, I couldn't give you much information. It just didn't even say it on there. Here we go. It's just a solution for contact lenses. You got this guy on there looking at his phone. He's probably texting his girlfriend or somebody. Who knows? Okay, that's nice. And then here's a coupon for Slim Fast to save on those keto fat bombs. I can save 50 cents. Or I can bring this to grocery stores and get it doubled. And that's it. That was my pinch me. Okay, I'm going to say that's a success. Then I got something from Real Time Media. I don't know who they are. Okay, it's a Garnier Fruit Cheese, just a sample size hair mask. So this is cool. I'll use it one of these days or give it to my son. I do use hair masks, by the way, but you know, it's time. Who has time for all these things? Then I got a postcard. This is to enjoy one free Ithaca hummus. Up to $5.99. Wow, for 10 ounce. I love hummus with, you know, crackers and veggies, whatever. I've never tried Ithaca hummus. Lemon garlic. That sounds yummy, yummy. Love garlic. All right, this. Okay, this is from, I've never showcased anything I received before really from this website that is a testing website by invitation only, and I've been doing it for, probably 3 years. It's called Try It Sampling. They sent me some pens, and these are by Bic. Previgard. Pen contains built-in protection to suppress bacteria growth. Okie dokie. I don't know how you suppress bacteria growth on what you touch, but this should be interesting. It must be an offshoot response to COVID, but I chose the color blue and they sent me 5 medium-sized pens. I will link Try It Sampling below. I have never showed you anything I've received from Try It Sampling, but over the past, like I said, I've been a member there for 3-4 years. I've received everything from bedding to makeup to blenders to kitchenware to pots and pans, you name it. It is a place where you do an online review. It takes very few minutes. You just do your review after you receive it. It is a closed community, but I will leave you the link. They do open up for new members like 3 or 4 times a year. Just stalk the site to see when they make it eligible for new members, because you can get a lot of good stuff. Try It Sampling. Okie dokie. Oh, so I also received something from Buzz Agent. I'm sure you've all heard of Buzz Agent before. I've been a member of Buzz Agent probably for 12 years. I might get 3 or 4 times a year the opportunity to test something from them. It's become harder over the years. But because of my age, they sent me the opportunity to sample and test a full-size, what is this? Advanced Retinol 1.5 Complex Night Concentrate Cream by a company called Number 7. This is a full-size product. I haven't used it yet. I was reading the instructions, and you have to, since it contains so much retinol, you have to start this slow, where it says, like, for best results, limit initial use to once or twice a week on non-consecutive nights, gradually increasing frequency to every other night, then every night is tolerated, because it does contain retinol. I am interested to see how this works, especially you do it at night. Hopefully it firms my skin. We shall see. So that's from Buzz Agent. I'll leave the link below. And then the last thing I received was, if you watched probably like 2 weeks ago, I went on air like midnight saying, hurry, hurry, get these freebies from Elmis. Well, this is my second Elmis freebie. I showed you the last one I received in my last freebie video, and they sent, I know a few of you got the products as well, a Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is an anti-wrinkle day cream, 5 milliliters. And I believe the price for this size on their website was like either $12 or $24 for this size. So that is an awesome freebie. They came through. I got both of them. I hope some of you got them as well, because that was just like a really short notice one. And I was happy to tell you. Now let's get to Redbox. So you all like Redbox, I like watching movies. I love watching movies. I have a Redbox account in my name. I've had it for years, and my husband has one in his name, and he normally orders all our Redbox movies from his account. And since I don't use my account very much, so my phone cut out because I ran out of storage and I had to delete a bunch of crap I had on my phone that I didn't even know I had on my phone. So let me get back to the Redbox. My husband has an account. I have an account. I rarely use my account, maybe log in once or twice a year. They send me coupons every week to entice me to use my account. I use those codes, which are for free DVD codes, almost weekly, and give them to my husband. So the point is, have 2 accounts. One in your name, one in some other family member's name. Don't use one of them. They will send you emails weekly with full price codes. And this has been going on for years, and I was just like, the light bulb went off the other day, because most of the time I don't even get to use all the codes they send me. So get 2 accounts. There's nothing illegal about it, just don't use your account. Like the second account, don't use it very often. But of course have it checked so you can accept emails, and they will entice you all the time. Just use the codes. That's my little secret, and it works because I get codes all the time. Almost weekly. I would say weekly. So, saves a little bit of money. It's free. Thought I would share it with you. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope you're having a great weekend. I have a giveaway announcement later today. I'm going to announce my winner of the Annie's box, and I'm going to do a new giveaway real soon, so stay tuned. The next one's going to be beauty. And I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Just hit that red button. Take care all. Bye.